welcome back to my YouTube channel. Video bias is also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing great. 3 carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, pepper pakoshito. The reason why I used half of my pakoshito is like it's very hot. It's very hot. I know your shit. It's if you joke with it, you can't eat it. So that's why I used half of my pakoshito. That's my ginger, my 2 garlic, and 2 onions, 2 large onions, my oil, and my last ingredient, my green beans. Forget. I've divided my red bell pepper and green bell pepper into 2. The reason is that I will be using some for the grilling and I will be blending some. So these are the ones I'm going to blend and these are the ones I will be grilling. So I'm going to blend this. I'll be back in a jiffy. After you're done blending your vegetables, you add salt to taste. So it depends on how you want your salt to taste in your chicken. But make sure say and you add your curry for flavor. A little bit of curry. You come to the chicken and my chicken is very wet. Like no for ye. So I just grab a tissue and wipe the essence water on it. Try to clean it up. So the be dry. I don't want any water when I'm grilling my chicken. So I just clean the excess water out of it. Then after you are done doing that, you turn it, you cut the ribs out of the chicken because you don't need it. So you cut this part out. The bone at the chicken's back no will be try free here because you don't need it. There is nothing there, so you just have to cut it from there. What I say? I know, sir, when we were kids, we used to love that part, but seriously, there is nothing at the back. There is nothing good at our back. So you just have to take it off. Try to take everything off. So I've taken it off. Yes, this is it. I've taken it off. So after you're done, this is how it's going to look like. I say, sister be a win your hips no. Won't lie no. Sister be a win your hips. Sand the be loaves. The beard when you do loaves because you're going to deal with pepper. And a pepper no, yeah, like the pepper is very hot, so you need gloves. And that's we are on search so now on some show no. So you need gloves for this because you are going to use your hands. So you do it this way. The best fun. You'll be making sure say if you have to dig a hole with your hands, please do that. Dig a hole with your hands and baby, then you turn it. No, so what do you have funny intense stance in one line? What do you have funny baby? After you're done seasoning your meat and everything, you start to add your vegetables. You need to add your vegetables, but I won't add all because me per se me ade way na then aka to say 20 minutes amana beno na me sign the remaining vegetables a guso so the be way or chicken now you get some crunchiness in the vegetables because any baby and say you should cook your vegetables like fully cooked. It shouldn't be soft. It should be sometimes crunchy and stuff. But my potatoes there, I'm going to add everything. So I'm going to pour my potatoes. I'm going to pour my potatoes inside. Yes. So your potatoes should cover your chicken. So I realized my pie dish was very small for my chicken. So I decided to move it to my baking sheet and bake it on my baking sheet. But my oven is on. So I'm going to put this in my oven. As I said, 200 degrees. You bake it for 200 degrees for 1 hour, 45 minutes. So let's do this. So I'm taking this beautiful bride into the oven. It's almost 1 hour and I'm adding the remaining vegetables I chopped. So I'm adding it to my chicken, and the sauce in it is the blended peppers I blend. So I'm adding it. Me de ni nyina ka ho se de be ya and also be ben kama. The nti a me de pepper na aka na air fry no, I just wanted to like it should be tasty. When you bite it, it should be very tasty. So that's why. Our chicken is ready. Just look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Like, so you can have it like this, or you can add your rice. But for me, I'm adding rice to it. My yes, and one more. I'm a day so. Just imagine this. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And please like this video. Thank you so much.